Insert the end plate into the top of the guide and place it in position. Make sure the inside of the guide is level with the brickwork. Use a clamp to secure the guide in position. Drill and fix the top hole only. Use a spirit level to make sure you are happy that the guide is level. Once the guide is level, secure the bottom fixing. Check again that the guide is level, then fix the remaining fixings in place. Measure the opening at different levels to check the width before repeating the process for the second guide rail and the end plate on the opposite side.